Hi guys, today we are going to see how we can use Python on your Android. You can do that easily by watching this video. So after watching this video, you will be able to use Python on your Android like this. And also you will be able to use Python on your PC without installing Python like this. Okay, I am Ashutosh here from Infotech Master. So to use Python on Android there are two methods. The first method is used Python on your Android using Pydroid 3 application. If you want a programming but you don't have PC, then you are for this method. Now you are going to do two steps. The first step is to install Pydroid 3 application on your Android. Okay, so to install it, let's go to the Play Store. Here search for Pydroid 3 application. And you will get this application. Let's install it. As you can see, the app has been installed. Once you installed the app, now we can go to the next step, which is start your programming. So to start your programming, let's open the Pydroid 3 application. Now Python is installing on your device. Now we can type program here. Like this. Once you type your program, then just click here. For run this program, you will get these result. You can re-edit your program. Just click here. Now you can start your basic programming on your Android. But what is if you don't want to install any such type of application? Then how can use Python? So let's go to the second method, which is use of Python on your Android or PC without installing any application. So to use a Python, we are going to do two steps. The first step is open an online Python compiler website. So to open it, let's open the video description and you will get this link. Just click on it and you can see your website is opened. Once you open the website, then you can go for the next step, which is start your programming. For start your programming, just click here. Type your program which you want, like this. Once you complete your small program, for run it, just click here. Now you will get your result. Like this. For edit your program again, just click here. You can use this website on your laptop or Android. If you have any problem during using Python on Android, then comments us.